Alright y'all, so this video is basically gonna be how I lay my wigs. Not really lay my wigs, but how I do the ball cap method, the perfect ball cap method well for me. So I'm gonna start by making sure that my cap is all the way to the front. My head mad big, so it's not gonna go all the way. Make sure I can see, because you know my ass is blind. And my braid pattern is just going all the way back, and I put the Gato bead gel and just sleeked it back a little bit so my edges won't get in the way. And I'm just taking the spray. Just spray that down. My blow dryer not even plugged. Sis, what are you doing? Just spraying down the other side. Okay, now that everything is dry, it's not properly dry because this side is a little wet still, but I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it. This is not the perfect scissors. I usually like to use a smaller scissor to get all the extra cap, but this one will do since that's the only one I have for now. I'm gonna start with this side. And I like to pull and cut just so you won't cut your baby hairs. My hair come all the way to my forehead, so doing lace frontals is the worst for me. I really have to be careful. Like, my hair is literally all the way here. Almost drove my eyebrows. So all this extra cap here that's not laid down, it will show through your lace. So you want to lay that down, and I'll show you how I do that. So this is all I do to lay the cap, the end of the cap flat. I'll just take the spray the tip of a comb. I'll put it right on the end. Alright y'all, this is really all I do to lay down my cap. It's as flat as I can get it, and usually I just take some foundation. I'm using the Maybelline, and my color is 330 Toffee. I'm just gonna take some of that, put it on a brush. And just put it on the cap. Usually I like to put the foundation on my hand first before applying it on the cap. That way I don't put too much on the cap like I just did. But it's fine. This is it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you in my next video.